Hello and welcome to PH Biology. Today's explainer is herd immunity, when enough of a population is vaccinated that the disease can't spread, protecting even those who haven't been vaccinated. By the end of this video, you'll know how it works and why anti-vaccine choices affect everyone. Herd immunity is the protection given to a population when a high proportion is immune to a disease. The pathogen cannot spread effectively, and even unvaccinated individuals are protected. Different diseases need different vaccination rates. Measles is highly contagious, needs around 95% coverage. Polio needs around 80%. 3 things. 1. Herd immunity protects everyone in the community, including those who can't be vaccinated for medical reasons, such as newborns or immunocompromised. 2. Different diseases have different thresholds. 3. Drop below the threshold and outbreaks return, as has happened with measles in recent years when vaccination rates dropped. Common slip. Herd immunity isn't just personal protection, it's a community effect. Choosing not to vaccinate doesn't just put yourself at risk, it puts others at risk too, particularly those who genuinely can't be vaccinated. Quick example, smallpox was eradicated globally in 1980 by a sustained vaccination campaign. Herd immunity at a planetary scale. Polio is nearly there. Where vaccination rates drop, herd immunity collapses and outbreaks return. Measles outbreaks across Europe in the 2010s followed exactly this pattern. Right, if any of this is going to stick beyond this video, drop into phmaths.com. You'll find a free 4-week GCSE higher revision planner ready to download, plus the mastery workbooks. One for every higher topic, every answer fully worked, every common slip flagged. Simple explanations, serious results. See you next video.